Why you must write your own emails. When it comes to writing high response emails, a lot of people get worried. They don't know how to write an effective email campaign. So the first thing they might do is hire someone to write the emails for them, or they get a set of templates and write something based on them. The problem is that you're not writing from your heart if you hire someone or write from a template. You need to write your own emails if you really want to have a personal connection with the people on your list. This is a really important concept that not a lot of people will ever consider properly. When you build a list, you're not just collecting a bunch of emails, you're really trying to build a series of relationships with a bunch of individuals. Each person that is on your list and actually reads your emails is just one person, and to establish a trusting relationship with that one person you have to have consistency in your communication. Imagine you're trying to establish a friendship with someone in person, but instead of actually talking to them yourself, you hire someone else to talk to them for you, or to tell you what to say. What's going to happen? Even if you're the one actually talking to the person, you might be saying what someone else is telling you to say, and if you do that, you're not the one building a relationship with that person, they are really communicating with a different person, not you. It's the same thing when you write emails to your list. When you hire someone else to write your emails for you, you are not communicating directly with your subscribers, and they are not making a connection with you. The truth is they are actually communicating with someone else, the person who wrote the emails. They can't develop a bond with you if your emails are different in style or personality, or if they aren't consistent. It's always a far better idea to write your own emails yourself, even for affiliate promotions. Don't use the standard emails people provide you to promote their products. The way it's written isn't you, it's not your personality, and it's not your style. Even if they say it generated a great response, the fact is it was effective on someone else's list because they have a connection with their list. You need to establish your own connection with your own list and write your own emails to them. Now you might be thinking that you don't know how to write effective emails to your list. The most important thing to do is just write. Just start writing your emails. Make a plan of what you want to write in each email, what's the main purpose of that email. Then just write. Remember, just imagine if you're writing that email to a friend you're trying to help, write from the heart. You'll find that the more emails you write, the better you're going to get. Over time you'll be able to see in your stats which emails got a better response, and start making changes to your emails to include more of the elements that made your emails successful. You don't need to learn everything about how to write effective emails. If you have written just one email to a friend, any type of email, then you already know what you need to do to write an effective email campaign. In most cases you're also going to make adjustments to your email campaigns as you learn more about how to write effectively. Start tracking the response rates and open rates. You're going to quickly learn what works with your list and what doesn't. You need to learn by doing. What works for my list may or may not necessarily work for your list. The only way to find out what's going to be effective for you with your subscribers is to email them and track your results. After you get your results, you make the necessary adjustments to make your email campaign even better. That's how successful marketers really become successful. They try something, then track the results, and make adjustments to improve their campaigns. That's what you should be doing as well.